And let's slice some cake. Oh, look at that. Just look at that crumb in there. Look how soft and tender that is. Wow. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making a lemon yogurt cake, or a yogurt lemon cake. We've got lemons, we've got yogurt. We've got a lot of yogurt actually. You know, and there's a couple of links in the description if you want to go make it by Instant Pot or make it by slow cooker. Make your own yogurt. If you can't make your own yogurt, buy some yogurt. So easy to make. And what we're going to do, we're going to make it in a 2-pound loaf tin, and I've got a liner. So that's all we're going to do is bob that liner in there, ready to go. Straightforward recipe. That's our Greek yogurt in there. We're not hanging around. Get your oven on 180. Get yourself a blender. If not, you're blending by hand, and I'm too lazy, we're blending that way. Our yogurt, our sugar, our eggs, our lemon juice, our vanilla, a little bit of vanilla in there, about 1.5 teaspoons in there. Salt in there, lemon zest in there, melted butter in there, blender. Only about a minute. Nice batter, cake flour, baking powder, sieve in. Gently fold in. Bring it in. Good enough to me. Take your loaf tin that you're using and in there with your batter. Aim at the middle and it's going to find its own way out. So just give it a little push out like that. Little tamping down. That will do for me. What's it taste like? Oh, beautiful. Oh, that is delicious. Not overly sweet. Got that lovely lemon in there. Oh, it'll be a cracking cake. One of them on there. Whack that in the oven. It's going in the oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, that's time up. Get a skewer and in there. Clean as a whistle, that's coming out. There you go, one absolutely beautiful lemon yogurt cake. 10 minutes in there and then we take it out onto the rack. So there we are, a wonderful cake. That is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it smells incredible. Now we can remove the paper and we can let it cool down completely, and then we are going to put a little bit of a lemon zest icing on there. There we have it. Look at that. Okay, we're cool enough. I've got myself a pot of tea. Let's have a look under here. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to bob that on a little piece of parchment paper, because we are going to drizzle some icing all over that. We don't want it on there. It's nice and straightforward to make your icing. That is icing sugar, and we've got a little bit of lemon juice. Just get it so it's all smooth, keep stirring it in there. That's fine. Over there with that icing. Now, we want to be coming down the middle a little bit. Does it matter what it looks like? No, it does not. That's all we're needing. All we're needing is a little top on there like that. And then when it sets up in a little minute, all this stuff that's on here, we do not want. So you can just, one of those. And then if you've got some lemon zest, you can put some lemon zest on there. So come on, in with a knife and let's slice some cake. Oh, look at that. Just look at that crumb in there. Look how soft and tender that is. Wow. Come on. You know it's got to be done. Oh, that is just melt. That is just melt. Just look at that crumb in there. Just look how that holds up. It's fantastic. Come on, we need another one. Oh my word. Oh my word. That is incredible. That is our lemon yogurt cake. Absolutely outstanding. The smell is fantastic. Come on, we have to get in on this. Do you take your lemon cake straight, or do you take it with butter? Look at that beautiful crumb in there. Wow. That is absolutely delicious. You've got a beautiful soft crumb. A little bit of springback in there. It's delicious. You know, and you've got that lemon through there, and you've got that zest over the top with that icing. What a combination. And then do you take it with butter on there? Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. That is sensational. What a crumb. Mind blowing. That is delicious. What a crumb on there. Look at that. It springs back. It's absolutely beautiful. If you like what we're doing, come on. Share with your friends. Big thumbs up. Tell everybody how easy it is to make a yogurt lemon cake. You know, we could even call it a yogurt lemon drizzle cake. Absolutely fantastic. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. And we'll catch you in the next video.